For entertainment news, Blooms may now stream the Day 3 Biniverse first solo concert online. Sam Martas for the details.
You can now also watch the Day 3 concert of the famous girl group here in the Philippines, none other than BINI. On the I1TFCX account, they shared the poster of the said concert, where it can be watched by a live stream for the price of 999 pesos. However, it has not yet been detailed when its ticket selling. Their other fans are excited, especially those in distant places, because they can still watch the girl group BINI. Meanwhile, BINI can also watch in the upcoming Pride Month on June 22, 2024 at the Quezon City Memorial Circle and June 23, 2024 at BINI Run, which will be held at Rojas Boulevard in Ermita, Manila. This is Sam Martos for your TV Showbiz News.